Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, April 7th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Scholars of our fourth grade writing has completed their STAR test, and if you're at home, they did their end of year content test. So nice job, scholars. Please, for those at home, if you have not submitted your essay to Miss Cerna, please do so as it was due yesterday. So we want to make sure that you get credit on your end of the year report card for that amazing essay you wrote. Also, scholars, I appreciate how every day scholars are in class. Yesterday, we had amazing attendance because you as scholars are coming to school each and every day, whether it be in person or virtual. Also, scholars, remember that every day you miss lots of lessons. So the more school you miss, the more you miss in school. So super important to be in school every day. Also, super important if you're virtual, have your cameras on. Be ready to answer when you're called on by unmuting. So it's going to be an amazing day. Have a great day. It's a great day to learn. See you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!